What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode, a special Christmas episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, we're going to be making some Puppy Chow. You're saying to yourself, Black Owl, why do they call it Puppy Chow? Well, I'm not sure, because you can't feed it to the dog. No matter how much you love him, he's been good all year, so we can't give him none of this because it's got the good chocolate in there. That's what we got to start with today. Santa came down the chimney and he left you a little sweetie treaty, so let's get in our sleigh. We got to take a ride to the store, get those chocolate chips, put them right in there. Now, we're going to put some peanut butter in there because peanut butter and chocolate go together like the heat miser and the snow miser. They ended up getting along in the end, you know. Don't be fooled, and it's hard to spoil it for you. So go ahead and put the peanut butter in there with the chocolate. Now we're gonna put a whole stick of butter in there because it's the holidays and we're not watching our figure, are we? So put that butter in there, put it in the microwave, 30 seconds, long enough for you to sing Jingle Bells. You don't want to put it in there too long because you don't want to burn the bottom, buddy. You have to sing Jingle Bells, I done burnt my stuff. So go ahead and you get it in there, 30 seconds, stir it up, make it good. Now we're gonna go ahead and get what would be Chex, but it ain't Chex because my check was. So this is rice squares. Dump them in there, stir them around, but be gentle. You don't want to break it. It's fragile. It's like that lamp that they had. So let's go ahead and mix that up. Be gentle with it. Just stir it around a little bit. Now we're gonna get some powdered sugar because we're gonna make it look like a white Christmas with frosting. But so go ahead and put a bunch of that in there. You're saying like, oh, you know, every time I've seen somebody do this, my grandma used to make this stuff too. She used to put it in a bag and shake it. Well, you know what? I ain't got no bag, and I'm not going back to the store because you know me. I can type that shit out. I'm just going to gently put some in the bowl and stir it around and sing Jingle Bells. That's the wrong tune to the new song Jingle Bells. I'm stirring as I stir. So go ahead and make sure everything is coated good. Make it look wonderful, baby, like the stockings hung with delight. Now, tonight, this is ready to go. You want to let it sit just a minute, let it cool, but you might even stick it in the Frigidaire a little bit while you go watch, I don't know, maybe some Clark Griswold. So you get that done and come back, but, you know, just let it cool down. And you have to wait to open your presents because it's going to be a good one tonight, a good Christmas sight and a good Christmas party of some Puppy Chow tonight. And I'm about to chow down. Me still. Well, almost can't wait. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The Puppy Chow is done. And I'd say I'm having that first bite, but you can hear me chewing now. I'm snacking, so. It's a good bite, though. That's a good one, baby. It's a Merry Christmas delight. Ow, 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 ow. That's a tasty one, man. And powdered sugar, man. It's a delicious confectionery treat. And you can't go wrong with chocolate and the rice squares. On a budget, a Merry Christmas time treat. So, I want to thank you for stopping by another Merry Christmas episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, I want y'all to have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you before New Year because we'll probably get into some trouble, won't we? So, let's eat up because we're going to have some time. So, Merry Christmas, baby. I love you. Yeah.